What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. Welcome back. A little before noon, Saturday, February 22nd. It's about 31-degree air temperature. Sun's out. Feels pretty good outside here in Danville, Pennsylvania at the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission access on the north branch of a Susquehanna River. You can see got quite a bit of ice. Challenge anybody to try to launch here this morning. It's backed up pretty good here in the eddy. And yep, everything's coming downstream. Moving pretty swift. Pretty nasty looking. Yep. But hopefully as we get towards March, I might get some nicer weather. Who knows? This winter's getting kind of old already. All right, guys, you haven't yet, be sure to click and subscribe to Fishyaker YouTube channel. Give us that thumbs up. Share the video on all your social media outlets. And we'll catch you on the water.